I've been here many times before, standing here with broken hands, knocking on this broken door. I can't decide which way to go, and this is just another time I prove to you how little I must know. How little I must know. Here I am back at the start, standing here with empty words flowing from an empty heart. I'm letting down and letting go, and just like every other time I prove to you how little I must know. How little I must know. How little I must know. Letting down and letting go. How little I must know. Like every other time I prove to you how little I must know.